Yep.
Okay. I can see you looking.
I'm looking at the thing, not you.
Okay, this one you can eat. I'm just going to give you a little bit of it, though.
I don't think I want to eat that.
Okay, ready? I'm just going to give you one little piece, okay? But you have to... I'm going to put it in your mouth.
You gotta let me touch it first, just like I did you.
Okay, now open.
A piece of grass? You want me to eat a piece of grass?
No.
Yes.
No.
No, I'm not. What is it, like a... What are you trying to feed me?
Open up.
Not until I know what it is.
Open up.
Is it actual food?
Technically, people eat it in India.
Yeah. No, I don't have any curry. It's grass. Don't lie when I say it's grass. I would have guessed it was grass, and you said no. It was too.
Okay.
Well, you at least could have fed me peppermint like I did you. Okay,
Okay, guys, bye.